What's up? This is your host Non-Fungible TC, Non-Fungible today and Non-Fungible tomorrow. And really busy day today, but I still wanted to do a daily stream because I do want to provide you some updates. So yesterday we were talking about the potential risk of a FTX bankruptcy, right? You know how it could go insolvent, right? But then, surprise, surprise, what happened was that, ZZ from Binance came out and say, hey, they are in discussion with FTX with a potential acquisition. So basically what will happen is that Binance is going to buy out FTX and they are going to, integrate them together, right? So basically Binance is going to be one of the biggest exchange because a few days ago I shared with you, Binance was number one in trading volume in the spot market. And then you have FTX as the second one in, trading volume for spot market, right? But then there is one thing that happened, and that is in ZZ's news, right? So Sam Bankman-Fried also posted about this, that they entered into a strategic agreement with Binance. But ZZ Street basically said that this is a non-binding agreement, which basically means that if anytime they do think that the balance sheet doesn't look well, they do not want to buy these assets, or they do not want to buy out FTX, they could actually withdraw from this, right? But both parties are saying that they're doing this from consumer protection, but indeed the damage has already been done because yesterday what happened was that the FTT token basically just dumped, right? So it jumped all the way to single digits, and at the same time there were liquidations all across because of the price dumping, and possibly people were speculating that FTX and Almeida will have to start selling off the asset to kind of maybe buy back or maybe just to have asset, right? So that's why the whole market is dumping. And the traditional market was actually kind of okay, right, because of the midterms. But the crypto market is a sea of red. And so I do want to share with you some of my thoughts. I think right now, what is next, right? Today our topic is about markets are down. What should we look out for next? First of all, I think it's important that you should look out for your mental health. It is indeed very stressful when giant players play with this, and you are a retail trader like myself. It's very stressful. Like every day, dude. Things are changing so quickly, and it's affecting my investment. Right? Aren't we supposed to help each other? Where is Ragami? Right? Why are the exchange people fighting each other? But I do believe that having conviction is important in the sense that one day we'll go back to those higher levels, right? So it's important for us to build and have conviction. But in a short period of time, here's what I think in a short time frame, right? So traders are scared at how this FTX acquisition will turn out, right? So they are on the sideline. So what if Binance does not acquire FTX? Maybe it will cause further dumping, more liquidations, right? So a lot of them possibly might be holding stable coins. But don't forget, guys, tomorrow we'll have the consumer price index print in the US. And usually when that happens, things could be very volatile. So in an extremely terrible crypto market, if we have a very hot CPI print where it shows that inflation is not under control, we could have that huge breakdown. So that's why a lot of people are just holding stable coins. So they're just holding stable coins, hoping to come in at a better time. But I think after CPI, once the trader starts to evaluate the market conditions, then maybe we might see things to pivot, or maybe things might change, right? So without further ado, the markets today, Asian market was Asia market was mixed, okay, because of the midterms. Europe market mixed, but kind of red, really. Now if you look at the U.S. market right now, U.S. market, Congress control is still unclear, right? Stock falls, so there's another reason why it's falling. But headlines, midterms are still happening. Control of U.S. state still unknown. With key races too close to call. But Meta is laying off more than 11,000 staff. But then Meta reaffirms the investments into the metaverse. So yeah, and also Adidas warnings of big earning hits after ending the partnership with Ye. Yeah. So anyways, guys, this is a traditional market. But tomorrow, as I said, there is the CPI print, month over month, year over year. If this CPI, this inflation number, becomes higher than 7.9, then it means that and if it's similar to 8.2, it means that inflation wasn't even in control, right? But if it's lower than 7.9, maybe the market could pivot a little bit. But right now it's a really volatile market, especially in the crypto space. If you look at the crypto space, we are now at 867 billion in crypto market cap. Yesterday was around 900 something when I was doing the stream, so we lost 100 billion in just a day. Bitcoin is at 17,514. It hurts just to watch it. Ethereum at 12,000, right? Tether, look, the way it jumped. So it was a huge pump of Tether, so moving to stablecoins and dump the whole market cap, right? BNB, this dumps isn't as high as some of the others, like Ethereum at 17%, 2-digit dumps across the board, but still, this guys, if you're still here, if you're still watching this, pat yourself on the back because you just witnessed one of the biggest events here in the crypto space. And if you look at the stablecoin market cap, it's actually up if you look at the overall trend, which kind of explains my rationale of how people are moving to stablecoins. But they're leaving USDT, but actually going to USDC, interestingly, right? Crypto market cap, I covered this. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, it's still holding up strong. Ethereum dominance is going down, so it shows that altcoins, people are selling altcoins to go into stables because maybe they think that altcoins could still have more way to go down. Solana is definitely taking a huge hit as well. Look at this, 33% in the last 24 hours losses of 7 days, 41%. It just hurt just to see all of these losses. Basically means all of these Solana NFTs just lost 50% of the value, right? If the floor price remains unchanged. So crypto news in general, Mark Zuckerberg's confirmed long-term vision, but the market is dumping. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest scooped up another 21.4 million in Coinbase stock. So maybe they think right now is a good time to buy the dip. Robinhood is down 20% and after Binance announced FTX acquisition. So Coinbase CEO says company does not have any material exposure to FTX. And also I think Circle mentioned something, but I think Circle is actually an investor in FTX, so just be careful, guys. But I haven't verified this, so do your own research. Fed update Chernobyl cash sanction site North Korea's nuclear weapons program. So moving on to NFT news. You look at NFT news, Yuga Labs founder defended NFT creator royalties, saying that without royalties, the NFT space wouldn't be what it is, right? So they proposed a community governed allowance model that let creators decide which marketplace can handle secondary sales of the NFTs, right? They also announced a new website where it has some sort of verification so that you do not go to a fake website. NFT Aesthetics docs Dingaling and says that Luxware could be closely associated and even largely funded by Binance, okay? I won't talk about the content. I don't think it's fair to dock someone against their will. But if you are interested, you just do your own, check it out if you want, but I'm neutral here. So Jeffrey Shoot announced his Instagram digital collectible and then immediately it sold out in less than 10 seconds. It was a 50 digital collectibles on Instagram, priced at $999, immediately sold out. So this is kind of a big thing because this is kind of the first minted NFT, I think, on Instagram by a Web3 creator. So it seems like Web3 creators themselves are embracing Web2 platforms. So all of this is actually very interesting to see how Web2, like Reddit, how Meta themselves to a certain extent is kind of contributing to the space, but we still have to wait. What is the secondary royalties, right? What is the platform fees, right? In the beginning they might not have it, but is this just a sweet taste, and then in the future they will increase it up, right? So we still have to see this, right? Phantom Galaxy, the game that is invested by Animoca brand, the play and earn event is not live right now, so this game has been in the making for quite some time. So that's it, guys. That's it for today's stream. ARK Globus, 4+ just tanked really hard. Stay safe, guys. If you're trading, this is your host Non-Fungible TC. Signing out.